What is the specific chemical composition of the sulfide-based electrolyte I am considering? What is the reported ionic conductivity of this sulfide-based electrolyte at room temperature? How does the ionic conductivity of the sulfide-based electrolyte compare to other solid electrolyte materials? What is the thermal stability of the sulfide-based electrolyte? What is the electrochemical stability window of the sulfide-based electrolyte? How does the sulfide-based electrolyte interact with common anode and cathode materials used in sodium-ion batteries? What are the mechanical properties of the sulfide-based electrolyte? What processing methods are required to fabricate sulfide-based electrolytes? Are there any known challenges or limitations associated with using sulfide-based electrolytes? What are the potential applications of sulfide-based electrolytes in sodium-ion batteries? How does the cost of sulfide-based electrolytes compare to other solid electrolyte materials? What environmental considerations should be taken into account when using sulfide-based electrolytes? What testing methods will I use to evaluate the performance of sulfide-based electrolytes in my battery setup? Have I reviewed recent research or developments related to sulfide-based electrolytes in sodium-ion batteries? Based on my evaluations, is a sulfide-based electrolyte the right choice for my sodium-ion battery application? What are the common anode materials currently used in sodium-ion batteries? What is the theoretical capacity of each potential anode material for sodium storage? How does the electrochemical performance of the selected anode materials compare in terms of cycling stability? What is the rate capability of the anode materials? What is the working voltage range of each anode material in sodium-ion batteries? How do the selected anode materials interact with the sulfide-based electrolyte? What are the mechanical properties of the anode materials? What processing methods are required to prepare the anode materials? What are the costs associated with sourcing and producing the selected anode materials? Are there any known environmental or health concerns related to the selected anode materials? What is the availability of the selected anode materials in the market? Have I reviewed recent research or advancements related to sodium storage in anode materials? What testing methods will I use to evaluate the performance of the selected anode materials in my battery setup? Based on my evaluations, which anode material is the most suitable for my sodium-ion battery application? What makes hard carbon a commonly used anode material in sodium-ion batteries? What is the theoretical capacity of hard carbon for sodium storage? How does hard carbon perform in terms of cycling stability compared to other anode materials? What is the rate capability of hard carbon? What is the working voltage range for hard carbon in sodium-ion batteries? How does hard carbon interact with sulfide-based electrolytes? What are the mechanical properties of hard carbon? What processing methods are required to prepare hard carbon for use as an anode material? What are the costs associated with sourcing and producing hard carbon? Are there any known environmental or health concerns related to the use of hard carbon? What is the availability of hard carbon in the market for large-scale production? Have I reviewed recent research or advancements related to hard carbon as an anode material? What testing methods will I use to evaluate the performance of hard carbon in my battery setup? Based on my evaluations, how does hard carbon compare to other potential anode materials for my sodium-ion battery application?